Hey guys, welcome back to another makeup video. If you like how this makeup turned out, please keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. So first I start with the MakeSense Silk Pore and Wrinkle Minimizer. I put 2 pumps on the back of my hand and swipe in a downward motion all over my face and really concentrating it all over my T-zone and where my pores are the largest. Then I go in with the MakeSense foundation in the color Ivory. I do about 1 small pump just for my lids, just to conceal for right before my eyeshadow. Using green concealer helps to cover any sort of redness on the face, so I usually put that in my T-zone and on my cheeks just to cancel out the redness that I already have. Using an orange tinted blush, I put just a couple dots under my eyes to cancel out any purple or blue veins that show through my skin. Because the lightest shade of concealer is a little bit too dark for me, I usually put about 2 little dots on the back of my hand and mix it with the white concealer so then I can make a lighter shade for underneath my eyes and just buff that in with the brush and a beauty blender. For my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Brow Pod. I've had it for a couple years, so I don't remember what color it is. Let me check, see if I have it. It's in the color medium brown. It's the Dipbrow Pomade, and I use that to do my eyebrows almost every day, and it's just a quick and easy application. Now my eyes are ready and primed. I use the ShadowSense eyeshadow in Mulberry, and I just put a thin layer all over my lid and up to my crease. Next, I use the color Garnet, which is a dark brown, and I usually just use a fluffy brush, swipe the wand, and put it in the outer V and through the top part of my crease. Next, I'll go in with the color Moca Java Shimmer, and I'll put that almost all over my lid, leaving the inner corner of my lid blank for a different color. This just helps to give a little bit of pop to the middle of my eye. For the inner corner of my eye, I like to use the lightest color, Pink Opal Shimmer, just for the inner corner and for the very edge of my eyelid, just to give a little bit of depth and pop. I like to use a light brown matte color in Moca Java just to do underneath my lash line, just to get a little bit of dimension. Using the matte Moca Java also helps with contouring on the cheeks and forehead. As long as you blend really quickly with a fluffy brush, it'll blend out really nicely. Since this is a daytime look, I'm going in with a lighter pink blush and a fluffy brush just to apply on my cheekbones and into my contour. Using Pink Opal Shimmer ShadowSense again, I'll use a flatter fluffy brush just to pop a little bit onto my cheekbones as a nice highlight. My mascara, I'm using our new SeneGence Lashsense VolumeIntense mascara. I usually do about 2 coats, and this helps to separate and lengthen. It does have flexibility, so you can apply multiple layers to build it longer, and it also has the Lash Extend Serum to help grow your lashes over time. So here I am halfway through my LipSense process. I forgot to record the beginning of it, so therefore this is about halfway through. I used Bella on the outside and I'm using Praline Rose in the middle, and then I'll go in with Pink Champagne as a highlight. Just in case you guys didn't know, you have to use LipSense in 3 layers in one direction. Make sure you don't touch your lips or lick your lips in the process. You just want it to dry and evenly distribute the color in one direction, and then top with gloss. Once my whole face is done, I spray to set my makeup and I'm all complete.